Welcome back to another video. My name's Max, this is John Kleis Car Audio, and today, behind me, behold the Audi R8 V10 manual Gen 1, and it's been in for an Apple CarPlay, Android Auto upgrade. This particular model of R8 also has steering wheel controls. It also has a factory reverse camera, so the camera, which is fitted as standard on these cars, which is just below here, we keep that working, so when the customer puts it in reverse, they can see what's going on behind them. If your R8 doesn't have a reverse camera, then we can add one. So if you want to get a reverse camera added to your R8, then we can also do that. Let's hop in the vehicle and I'll give you a little show on what the solution looks like. I'm already connected up to the system. Here is Apple CarPlay, working on the new Audi R8 stereo, which is inside here. This is supplied and fitted using Reese's at RTA's fascia panel, which is in our opinion the best panel that you can fit onto these vehicles. So we keep the steering controls working for adjusting the volume. The customer also has a B&O system that will also still work after this upgrade. We do have a little DAB antenna over here to pick up DAB radio, and a little microphone which is just up there, a little bit hard to see. A little black thing attached to the mirror housing, but that allows us to pick up the customer's voice when he's on the phone. When we boot up the system as well, we like to put a splash screen on these vehicles, and we've got some Audi rings that will come up on the screen. When the stereo boots up, it will search for the Apple CarPlay device, and then it will latch onto it in a moment. Just like so, just like that, perfect timing. When the customer puts his vehicle into reverse, it will show the reverse camera like so on here. Come out of reverse, it'll go to whatever you're doing on Apple CarPlay / Android Auto. Apple CarPlay is a much nicer way of using your phone while driving. Every single day I get people coming in to John Kleis to ask for Apple CarPlay, or phoning up, WhatsApping us, emailing us. Many different ways of obviously getting in contact. Apple CarPlay is going to just allow you a much nicer way of using a phone for basically phone calls, music, maps. You've got Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, many more ways of navigating. Better navigation apps like TomTom Go as well, which is a popular option. And yeah, it's a pretty amazing head unit. This one comes with a 3-year warranty, and it's probably one of the best head units that we can fit into these cars. Now, also, this is the home screen of the Kenwood system. You've got digital radio. Customers picking up DAB radio on this vehicle through the new antenna that we fitted, and you can search for your channels through here, and you've got many stations to choose from and select. I won't play any music now because of copyright strikes. To save your stations, you can just go in here, and you've got presets all down the side there that you can save in all your radio stations. So it's a nice, easy way of using your radio. And yeah, it looks the part in this car. We add a USB into the glove box for the customer to charge their phone or connect to the unit. Can also have it in the armrest. This customer went for the glove box location. But yeah, a fantastic solution. This is the solution that we would recommend on these cars. It looks great, it works well, it's got a great warranty. Kenwood are very reliable head units. You've got much better navigation apps to use rather than the old factory system. And yeah, it all works. All your music's going to be at your fingertips if you use anything like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, or Tidal, which is what we use. You just go into your tracks and choose whatever you want to listen to. But yeah, if you haven't used Apple CarPlay before, it really is a much nicer way of using your phone while driving. If you've got an Android phone, you've got the Android Auto solution. But that's pretty much about it for this video. If you've got any questions, feel free to get in contact with us. But that's pretty much it. This is an Audi R8. This is the V10 manual. One of the best models out there, in my opinion, when it comes down to picking one of these cars. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the flip side. Thanks very much. Take care and goodbye.